So, my dear students, I am Malik Farooq, lecturer Vice Higher Secondary Langate, live on the topic human health and disease, and we are dealing with the immunity. आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है क्लास 12 के लिए वो है एंटीजेंस. Anti means against, genes means birth. Antigen or immunogen is any foreign substance, toxin, particle or pathogen which induces immune system of body to produce cells and antibodies to dispose of the same. An antigen often has molecular mass of 8,000 daltons or more. Substances with smaller molecules can also produce immune response provided they first combine with the antigenic substance. They are called hepatins. For example, drugs, dust, components, animal dandruff, industrial chemicals, certain poisons. Hepatins are also called incomplete antigens, while others which elicit immune response are called complete antigens. Antigenic substances are generally proteins and large polysaccharides. Pathogens function as antigens because they possess either antigenic material or surface or produce antigenic toxins. Sites present over the surface of antigen which produce recognized T and beta lymphocytes, B lymphocytes, as well as antibodies are called antigenic determinants or epitopes. Epi means upon, topes means place. The region of antibodies and lymphocytes which function as receptors of epitopes are called paratopes. Para means besides, tropes means place. Epitopes are antigenic determinant has a regular recurring molecular group which provides stereochemical characteristics. It is not a polymer of single amino acid or a single sugar, but a copolymer or heteropolymer because of its proteins are most common antigens. So what are antigens? Antigens are immune is any foreign substance, toxin, particle or pathogen which induce immune system of body to produce cells and antibodies to dispose of the same. Now there are antibodies. They are glycoproteins called immunoglobulins which have specific amino acid sequence by which they can interact with specific antigens. Antibodies form 20% of plasma protein. Each antibody has combination of at least 2 light L and 2 heavy H polypeptide chains, H2L2. The heavy chain has larger number of amino acids while lighter chain has smaller number of them. Usually polypeptides form a Y-shaped configuration. The system of Y is exclusive form of the heavy chains. In the arms of Y, both light and heavy chains occur parallel to each other except for the antigen binding sites. Attachment and bending occurs by means of disulfide bonds. In certain immunoglobulins, the number of chain pairs can be 10. An antibody has variable portion in the arms. It's called V region or antigen binding fragments, FAB. The remainder of the antibody is called a constant portion or crystalline fragment. So it determines the diffusivity, adherence to the tissue component, attachment to the complement system, and other biological properties. So what are antigens? They are glycoproteins. Anti means against, body means body. So they are glycoproteins called immunoglobulins which have specific amino acid sequence by which they can interact with specific antigens. So thank you for watching. In the next lecture, most of the antibodies function as monomers. We will discuss one by one. Thank you for watching.